Okay, serrated knives my way. This knife's in good condition, so it's still got a long ridge on the serration. There's no need to rebuild the serrations. If you're looking at it from the front or feeling it, you can definitely see there's some flat spots. You can feel it with your nail, it hooks. It's pretty typical of serrated knives because the tip is what's hitting against the plate or whatever working surface it is. I'm going to touch the back. What I don't want to do is create a steep bevel on the side. All I want to do is work away the flat spots. So I'm going to touch the belt at probably 5 degrees or less. We're going to go with a 120 just to bring it to where it needs to be. Polish it up with a Trizac A30. And then I'm going to do a little polish up on the cardboard wheel with green compound. You could probably use a buffing wheel or a leather belt or any other thing with a bit of compound on it. And then we'll just do the final burr removal with a felt belt. Okay, so 120 grit. I'm going to go on the slack belt. I'm going to go really, really low. I want the spine of the knife to almost touch the belt, but not, because you don't want to scratch up the back of the knife. So here we go. Light pressure, slow movement, looking at the shadow to make sure I'm getting the knife on flat this way. So line it up, and away we go. So I can see the burr coming up. Keep a nice even movement through here. Follow the profile of the knife. You still see some flat spots. So we go again, check the work, make sure the bevel's equal all the way through. And here we go again. So it's an equal bevel all the way through, very, very low angle. Just looking in the light. Just looking at this in the light, I can see the burr all the way through. I can even see the burr on the very tips. Just want to check here very carefully. You want to make sure you get the flat points away, otherwise you're going to have to come back to it. But this looks good. I don't know if you can see the bevel in there or not. It's almost flat. Okay, Trizac A30. There we go. Same thing, very flat angle, nice slow pass. Okay, that's it. The scratch pattern is refined on there. It's got a sort of semi-polish on it. Looks pretty good. We're going to use a extra fine Scotch-Brite belt. I guess you could go straight to polishing it or buffing it, but this just reduces the burr a little bit. So I'm going to do the back, and I'm going to do a quick pass on the front. You don't want to hang around on the front, you just want to bring the burr back. If you hang around, you're going to wear the ridges off and you're going to lose the aggressiveness of the serration. So here we go. Very quickly at an angle about where the serration bevel is. So just do this again. Just looking at the bevel. Just looking at the bevel here, it looks good. There's still a burr on here. You can see it's very, very soft now. So now I'm going to polish it off. So homemade cardboard wheel. It's got some green compound on it. The corner of this wheel is a little bit soft and it's rounded over from wear. So when I go into the serration, it'll go into the serration properly. Again, you don't want to hang around here, you just want to do a quick pass. And then polishing it right up at the top of the wheel. You don't want to create a micro bevel on the side, you just want to polish it. And this is going to polish through the burr from the back so that you get a super, super fine apex. Just stick a bit of compound on here. Starting on the back, nice and flat. Make sure you're getting it in the right place. If the compound's up at the top, you know you need to come up a little bit. If you're only at the edge, then you know you're too low. And we'll just bring the burr back over. Can already see the burr is almost completely gone. Give it another quick pass. Apply the brakes. It's always fun when the corner of the wheel bites into your wrist. That's never happened. And now onto the felt belt. Same thing, very flat. Couple of passes. Quick one down the front side. Back side. And this is as sharp as any other kitchen knife that you're going to do. Try and get this in the camera for you. Easy, easy, easy. Might even go through the side. You're not going to be able to see the hairs, but this knife shaves easily.